this, I would see that I have a 1650 that is captured pending settlement, and I would see this ID with a 0 amount, noting that it was voided. Okay. At this point, let's say the customer calls me and says, you know what, I no longer want the product. And so you have to void your order. It hasn't been shipped yet, so I'm not charging them anything. I'm just going to go ahead and completely void the 1650. So from this screen, I can go ahead and click Edit Transaction. Then you'll notice what comes up is Refund. If I've changed my mind and I want to leave it as a complete, I can choose complete, or you can just back out of the order and not save any changes. But if I actually want to perform a refund, I can do that. Now, even though this says refund, Authorize.net is when Web Shop Manager communicates with Authorize.net, it's going to analyze, am I refunding or am I voiding? And the difference between the two is, has the transaction been settled? If the transaction has been settled, then Web Shop Manager and Authorize.net will communicate a refund. If the transaction has not been settled, then it'll communicate a void. And you'll see the proper notes within Authorize.net based on what's being done. So at this point, I'm going to refund the 1650. I'm going to come down to the bottom. Again, anytime I do any type of credit card processing, I'm not going to email the customer because this is just internal work that I'm doing. So I uncheck that and I click Update Order again. If you forget to uncheck that, basically all your customer is going to do is they're going to get an email with the standard message, and it's just going to have an update status at the top that's going to tell them whatever status is here, and it's going to list the